Reimagining the van segment for a whole new generation, the 2022 Toyota Sienna is built for fun and functionality. With an efficient design and innovative convenience features that support a wide variety of lifestyles and activities. Assembled in the United States, with vehicle design led by U.S. engineering groups, Sienna features a standard hybrid powertrain and available all-wheel drive across the entire lineup. And this year, Sienna adds the all-new Woodland Special Edition to the mix. With this blend of advanced technology and capability, sporty design cues, class-leading combined fuel economy, and tailored creature comforts, it's easy to see why people love Sienna so much. Let's learn more. Sienna's all-hybrid lineup can now be had in 6 flavors: LE and XLE, the sporty XSE, the new Ready for Adventure Woodland Special Edition, and the top-tier Limited and Platinum. Plus, Sienna continues to offer available all-wheel drive capability across the entire lineup for added grip in low-traction situations. Sienna stands out from the pack with its modern silhouette and SUV-inspired design cues. This exterior is offered in multiple styles, with a sporty honeycomb-style grille on XSE and a dark gray metallic design on Limited and Platinum. Meanwhile, the XSE and Platinum grades up the ante even further with available 20-inch alloy wheels. And whether outfitted in midnight black metallic or its grade-exclusive cement gray color, the Woodland Special Edition sports a rugged and refined look that belongs in nature, on busy city streets, and everywhere in between, thanks to its unique black accents and its standard roof rails with crossbars. And those special looks aren't just for show either, with Sienna Woodland Special Edition also featuring a notable increase in ground clearance to help ensure the adventure doesn't end when the pavement does. And Sienna even boasts convenience features on the outside, like its available hands-free power liftgate and power sliding doors, perfect for camping, moving, or shopping. Just like its exterior, Sienna's stylish cabin makes a lasting impression. With its distinctive center console and sculpted features, the interior is tasteful and inviting. This vast cabin offers comfortable seating for 7 or 8 passengers, as well as available super long slide second-row captain seats with an ottoman and sunshades that make this interior more closely resemble a private jet than a van. Sienna's flexible seating and cargo layout makes it easy to maximize space for passengers and cargo, with folding third-row seats that can be stowed away in one easy motion. And passengers will always ride in comfort with Sienna's available 4-zone climate control system and available power moonroof with sliding sunshade. If that wasn't enough, the available heated Softex trimmed or leather trimmed front and second row seats and heated steering wheel will help keep the whole family warm on chilly days. Sienna is ready for life's twists and turns, with a hybrid electric powertrain that offers smooth and refined driving characteristics. Not to mention, it has class-leading manufacturer-estimated fuel economy numbers. And it's also the first hybrid van to offer all-wheel drive capability. And for those looking to tow a trailer for a fun weekend excursion, Sienna's standard 3,500-pound tow rating will get the job done, especially with a ready-to-go tow hitch available across the Sienna lineup. Just like its hybrid electric powertrain, Sienna goes the extra mile when it comes to technology. This starts with a range of touchscreen audio multimedia systems that all feature standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. And Sienna also includes Android Auto compatibility, which makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa compatibility keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a standard 3-month SiriusXM Platinum Plan trial subscription that includes over 165 channels available in-cabin, and even more on the SXM mobile app, making it easier than ever to enjoy not just ad-free music, but also sports, comedy, and more. And in the case of the top premium audio units, an available 12-speaker JBL premium audio system delivers 1,200 watts of crystal clear power. In back, an available 11.6-inch 1080p rear seat entertainment system will work miracles when it comes to keeping passengers entertained. While the available Driver Easy Speak feature makes it easy to chat with riders in the back. And there's plenty of power for everyone's devices as well, with 7 standard USB ports across Sienna's 3 rows, an available Qi-compatible wireless charging tray, and even an available 1,500-watt power outlet in the rear cargo area that can come in seriously handy when out on the open road or camping. Sienna can also be equipped with trials to Toyota's full line of connected services, which include Safety Connect, Wi-Fi Connect, Remote Connect, and Service Connect, which provides maintenance reminders to both dealer and driver. Likewise, there's cutting-edge technology in Sienna's convenience features, including a standard blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert system, as well as available features like a 7-inch multi-information display, color head-up display, digital rear-view mirror, smart key system on all doors, rain-sensing windshield wipers, and bird's-eye view camera with perimeter scan. Toyota has always considered safety a priority, so it's no surprise that Sienna offers its riders a wide range of advanced safety technology. In fact, Sienna is the only van in its segment with a standard active safety suite. This begins with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, a suite of active safety features that come standard on all grades and includes pre-collision system, lane departure alert, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. The available front and rear parking assist sonar makes it easy to pull into a tight spot, while the new rear seat reminder feature reminds drivers to stay mindful of little passengers and pets. And of course, Sienna also comes standard with Toyota's signature Star safety system, 10 airbags throughout the cabin, and a convenient tire puncture repair kit. All in all, the 2022 Sienna is a real people pleaser, with plenty of style, space, economy, and versatility for that next epic getaway. With its all-hybrid powertrain and advanced tech features, it's clear that Sienna is reshaping the van segment for a whole new era. Top that off with ownership perks like the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and the Toyota Hybrid Battery Warranty, which lasts for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first. And Sienna is game for life's great adventures. Head over to toyota.com to learn more.